This is a 2017 Ram 1500. Gray over gray interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, power driver's seat, heated mirrors, remote start, navigation, trailer brake controls, traction control, satellite radio. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, dual exhaust, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, bed liner, tonneau cover, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi V-8. So it's got power, and like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.